What if Earth's future was already decided? How would that make you feel? Here's the thing, our sun has about 5 billion years left to live. And when it finally dies, it will trigger a cosmic drama on an unimaginable scale. What happens to Earth, to Jupiter, to Saturn? Let's explore together what will happen the moment our sun dies, and I promise you it's going to be shocking. Right now, the sun is burning hydrogen to produce energy. The immense pressure created by this reaction pushes back against the sun's massive gravity, preventing it from collapsing in on itself. Think of it this way, the sun exists in a delicate balance of opposing forces. But here's the problem. Our solar system is already about 4.5 billion years old. In another 5 billion years, the hydrogen at the sun's core will be completely exhausted. When the hydrogen runs out, nuclear fusion stops. That means the pressure holding the sun up disappears. Without that pressure, the sun begins to collapse under its own enormous gravity. This compression causes the interior temperature to skyrocket. As the temperature rises, the remaining hydrogen in the outer layers begins to react. This is what we call a red giant. The sun will expand dramatically. How much will it expand? All the way out to nearly Jupiter's orbit. Jupiter's orbit is currently about 780 million kilometers from the sun. That's how big our sun will become. And here comes the greatest tragedy. Earth is too close to the sun. It will be swallowed by this expanding red giant. This blue planet we call home. Everything on it will be incinerated by the sun and reduced to cosmic dust. But the sun's expansion won't last forever. Eventually, its outer layers will be blown off into space, leaving behind only the core. This is called a white dwarf. It's about the size of Earth, but contains nearly half the sun's mass. It's an incredibly dense, compressed celestial body. How dense? A single teaspoon of white dwarf material would weigh as much as an elephant here on Earth. Now here's where it gets interesting. This vision of our solar system, 5 billion years from now, has always been just a prediction. We'd never actually observed anything like it. But in 2021, the Keck Observatory in Hawaii made an astonishing discovery. They found a star system that looks almost identical to what our solar system will become after the sun dies. Near the center of the Milky Way, there's a white dwarf with a Jupiter-like gas giant orbiting around it. In other words, we're looking directly at our own future. This star system has become a real-world sample of what our solar system will look like in 5 billion years. Researchers discovered this planet using a special technique called gravitational microlensing. When a planet, a distant celestial object, and Earth align in a straight line, the gravity of the planet bends the light from the object behind it. This magnifies the light, allowing researchers to detect the planet. At first, they were puzzled. The host star was far dimmer than expected. They thought there's no way a star this dim could have such a large planet orbiting it. But when they analyzed the data more carefully, they realized the dim star was actually a white dwarf. That explained the faintness. Further analysis revealed that the white dwarf has about 60% of our sun's mass, and the gas giant orbiting it is about 40% larger than Jupiter. This discovery confirmed something for the first time. Over the vast span of 5 billion years, a star like our sun can die while a planet like Jupiter can survive. Until now, scientists could only make predictions about what happens to planets when their star dies. But now, with the existence of this system confirmed, our predictions about the future have become much more certain. Earth is too close to the sun. It can't escape the red giant expansion. But what about Jupiter and Saturn, which orbit much farther out? This discovery suggests that giant gas planets like Jupiter and Saturn could survive the sun's death. Because they orbit far enough away, they can escape the red giant's expansion. Even as the sun swells, its outer layers will be blown away before reaching Jupiter's orbit. As a result, Jupiter and Saturn could continue orbiting the new central star, the white dwarf. Now, what if humanity somehow survived for 5 billion years? Researchers have proposed a fascinating hypothesis. If we evacuated to the moons of Jupiter or Saturn, humanity could watch the sun's final moments and survive. Jupiter has over 80 moons. Saturn has over 140. Some of these moons have liquid water beneath their surfaces. So 5 billion years from now, there might be future humans gazing at a glowing white dwarf from one of Jupiter's moons. Earth may be lost, but human knowledge and civilization could live on the moons of Jupiter or Saturn. Of course, we don't yet know how common this type of system is. Is this star system we found a rare exception, or is it completely normal in the universe? As more similar systems are discovered, We'll gradually find out whether this is unusual or just the way things work. Astronomers will keep observing the cosmos, and they'll continue to uncover glimpses of other star systems' futures. So, what do you think? On a cosmic time scale, a human lifetime is just a blink of an eye. But by learning about these mysteries of the universe, we can start to understand what kind of planet we live on and what destiny awaits us. And here's something even more amazing. We've only just begun to understand the universe. The cosmos is still full of infinite mysteries. What we don't know far outweighs what we do know. That's why the study of the universe will never end. On this channel, we bring you the mysteries of the universe and the frontiers of science in easy-to-understand videos. Every week, we introduce new discoveries and scientific topics. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe to the channel. You'll get notified as soon as a new video is uploaded. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Your likes help this video reach more people. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments. This channel values the conversation with all of you. Until next time, let's keep unraveling the mysteries of the universe together. Goodbye!